When you are a beginner, learning English may look a difficult task. But when it comes to practice it alone without a speaking partner, it gets even more challenging. Since I am from India, my native language is Hindi, and since childhood I have been listening to Hindi from my parents, from my surroundings, and I also grown up speaking in Hindi. So I don't remember if I have ever put any effort speaking Hindi language. But when I started learning English as my second language, I had to work really hard. Yes, sometimes there were people to practice with, but most of the time I had to practice it alone. Hi everyone, this is Upasna, and in this video we are going to learn how we can practice English as a beginner if we don't have a speaking partner. So let's get started. Most of us form a sentence in our native language and translate it in English. That's the big mistake we all are doing. We have to stop doing it. Yes, start thinking in English. It may look a bit tough in the beginning, but with time it will get easier and spontaneous. So, think in English. Whom do you spend your most of the time with? Who is always there for you? Yes, it's you. Believe me or not, we are our own best friends because most of the time we spend with ourselves. You talk to yourself quite often. I talk to myself quite often. Or what if I start talking to myself in English? Rather than using my native language, if I'm thinking in English, I'm talking to myself in English. Suppose most of the time it happens with me. If I have to cook something, so I will say in my mind, okay, आज क्या बनाऊं? So rather than saying आज क्या बनाऊं, I can say what should I cook today? Rather than saying कि आज मुझे बहुत सारे कपड़े धोने हैं, I can say I have to wash a lot of clothes today. So there are so many things we do since morning till night. Whatever the things you are doing, start speaking in English. You have yourself. You are your own best friend. You can practice with yourself. So start talking to yourself in English. Yes, start talking to yourself in English. Most of the people say that they are able to understand English or they are able to write as well. But when it comes to speak, they are stuck. They can't speak that time. It happens because lack of practice. We need to practice speaking in English. So yes, you can stand in front of the mirror like this. You can give yourself some topics to speak. Suppose I want to practice in front of the mirror, so I will start like this. Hi, my name is Upasna and I'm going to talk about whatever I have done today so far. So I woke up at 6 o'clock, then I went for running. I came back and I prepared some breakfast. I ate food with my family. I watched television. I talked over the phone call. So this is how I'm practicing. You can practice in front of your mobile phone as well. It will make you self-confident and it will make you feel that you are talking to someone. It will not only improve your English but your body language too. Yes, you can notice your own body language, how you are standing or how you are using your hand gestures, or are you able to make eye contact with the mirror or not. It helps you to build self-confidence, and when it comes to speak with someone, you can speak confidently if you are able to speak in front of the mirror properly. So yes, practice in front of the mirror. Select a book that you actually want to read. Try reading at least 5 pages a day. Read words out loud because it will help you in pronouncing the words in a better way. It will help you pronouncing the words correctly. Or when we read something, we read it with full focus. So if you will read the books, then you will learn the sentence structure as well as vocabularies. Try reading the sentences as you are speaking it. Read it with a tone because English without tone sounds like a robot. If I speak like this, like do you want anything? I am not using any question form, so it will not look good. So try reading books like this. Do you want anything? I am going to mark it. Oh my god. Read it with expressions. If you continue to watch all the movies, TV series in your native language, how would you be able to speak in English? So for speaking in English or for learning English, it is very important for us to choose our entertainment wisely. Start watching English TV series and English movies. In the beginning, you may find it difficult to understand, but trust me, gradually you will be habitual of watching TV series and movies in English and you will enjoy watching it. So, choose your entertainment wisely. Give yourself some topics to speak in which you are comfortable. You can talk like how you celebrated your last birthday, or you can talk about your last journey. Obviously, mistakes will be there, but first we need to work on the fluency. First we have to make sure that we are able to speak. Grammar we can later work on it. When you are speaking on the random topic, turn on the timer. So you will have an idea for how many minutes you are able to speak. It is really gonna help you a lot. So give yourself some random topics and speak on it. We learn English quickly when we find someone speaking the sentence that we can also use in our own conversation. Start watching short English stories on YouTube. In the beginning, you can turn on the subtitles or you can slow down the speed. Again, watch it if you don't understand it properly. Once you have understood it properly, shoot your video in your mobile phone. It will help you in giving you the feedback, or you can appreciate the things you have spoken well. So, watch short English stories on YouTube. Watch and repeat it. Most of the people underestimate their intelligence when they are not able to speak in English. There is nothing like that. Learning any language is like adding value to your life. So, don't consider learning English as a burden. Enjoy the process of learning English. So these were the tips to practice English if you don't have a speaking partner or if you are a beginner. I hope you have found this video helpful. Let me know in comment box.